Hello friends, welcome to our channel Easy Cooking and Vlogs. Today's recipe is tasty sabudana khichdi recipe. Do try this healthy and tasty recipe. You'll really like it. It is easy to make and delicious in taste. All the ingredients are given in the description box below. It turned out so tasty that my children asked me to make it again the next day. Usually I don't repeat the recipe so soon, but I had to do it as my children and my husband asked me to make it again. So I repeated again. Let's start the recipe, friends. First we are going to make the peanut powder. Here I have taken a mixie jar. In that we are going to add peppercorns, cumin seeds, about 6 to 8 of garlic cloves depending upon your taste. Then we are going to add peanuts in it. After adding peanuts, we are going to add red chillies. I have taken about 6 to 7 red chillies. Add salt for the masala. Now grind this. Before that, I have switched on the stove and placed a wok on it. Our peanut masala is ready. You can see some bits of the peanuts in it. It's okay. It will be very tasty. Now add some oil in the wok. Put mustard seeds, cumin seeds, mung dal, red chillies, green chillies and curry leaves. Add asafoetida and onions. Stir cook for a minute or until onions are done. Now we are going to add sabudana soaked in water overnight. Take the quantity of sabudana and water in same quantities after washing it well. Then soak it overnight. Add salt for sabudana and be careful as we have already added some salt in peanut powder also. Mix it well. This will not take a long time. Process is very small but the result is very tasty, friends. You would really like it. Do try to make this sabudana khichdi. Friends, please press the like button, share it with your friends and family and support us. Those who have not subscribed till now, please subscribe to my channel. Here we need to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. You don't need to wait for a long time. It will be done very soon. The whole process will take about 10 to 12 minutes and you will get very tasty, healthy sabudana. Add a little black pepper powder. This will enhance the taste of sabudana. Mix it well. Now we are going to add the main ingredient, that is peanut powder. This peanut powder is so tasty that your children will ask you to make it again and again and you also will love it. I have taken about 4 to 5 teaspoons of peanut powder. You can increase the quantity. I also serve a little extra peanut powder in a bowl while they are having sabudana khichdi. It is done, so we are going to switch off the flame. You can see that sabudana khichdi is ready in just 10 minutes. This peanut powder really enhances the taste of the khichdi. Friends, do try this recipe. Your children will really like it. And it is not that spicy. You can increase or decrease the spice according to your taste. I hope that you enjoyed watching my video. Do not forget to like our video. Press the like button. Share with your friends and family. And please keep supporting me. I appreciate you all watching my video completely. Keep supporting me. And those who have not subscribed till now, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, friends.